Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 26 Fairpoint Drive in Fairport.
This is a spectacular architect-designed dream home overlooking a pond.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this stunning foyer, featuring an arch top and side window lights and tile floor. Open to the dining room with crown molding, columns, wainscoting, and beautiful hardwood floors. All open to the two-story great room with an exceptional mahogany mantel and gas fireplace, and a wall of windows with scenic wooded and pond views.
The excitement continues with a designer cook's kitchen. With custom Brookhaven cabinetry by Woodmode and granite countertops with a center island. Open to a dining area with custom built-ins. And a living area with a wall of windows and access to the porch. All with beautiful hardwood floors and scenic nature views. The first floor also features a sizable back hallway, leading to a spacious light and bright office, powder room, and laundry.
This first floor owner suite has it all. A spacious private bedroom with scenic pond views, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious spa bathroom.
The upstairs features two spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom with a double vanity, plus plans to add a fourth bedroom. This is the ultimate finished lower level with a white and bright kitchen area, a classy dining area with built-ins, a gaming area, and a bonus room for all your fun activities, all with recessed lighting and egress windows.
This quality-built architect-designed home has great craftsmanship in all the details, from the brick front, custom moldings, and maintenance-free exterior. Plus, it is landscaped to perfection, located on a premier lot overlooking a pond. Enjoy relaxing and entertaining with this spacious cathedral ceiling porch, leading to an expansive deck, all with scenic nature views overlooking the pond.
This is nature at its best. This property borders a green area with a pond, with breathtaking views.
Here we are in the village of Fairport, a great place to live.
It has great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 26 Fairpoint Drive in Fairport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!